Thank you very much, Leslie. Thank you very much. Good morning to everyone, to all the participants here, and to the lovely Elkan family here today. So good to see all of you here. And I'm actually extremely delighted to have all of you here today. Now, the COVID-19 pandemic, right, has really shaken the world since 2020. And if I were to do a simple calculation, it's almost about 1 year and 7 months, right? I believe we have learned more about this pandemic and now learned to live in coexistence in this new normal. Now, the beauty industry took a hit in 2020. Now, despite so, the beauty industry in year 2021 has taken it with full positivity and upswing. And based on the report from McKinsey, the famous consulting firm, beauty market has somewhat returned to the pre-pandemic time this year, right? So Elkan has always been visionary, always trying to be ahead of others, and we have been gearing ourselves for this post-pandemic growth. We believe that beauty will remain attractive in the upcoming post-pandemic world, and world statistics have shown. We believe that product innovation is key for the successful post-pandemic growth. Hence, when most businesses out there have stopped introducing new product launches, our beauty innovation train continues. And today, I'm really proud to bring you our latest series of Alisal skincare range, introducing you Naru Hydra. Right? Naru Hydra skincare range has taken us 2 years from conception to all the scientific formulations, tests, and finally made available today as we time ourselves for the post-pandemic growth. Now, Naru Hydra is developed and produced in Japan using the latest nanotechnology with hydration heroes. More advanced than before, Naru Hydra mirrors the composition of NMF, natural moisturizing factor, to quench the skin instantly and offers up to 72 hours of deep hydration with its unique moisture binding technology. Now, this allows easy moisture penetration to the intercellular space of skin with this new nano moisture binding technology. Now, the next breakthrough achieved, what we have done to Naru Hydra in this upgrade version is that we harness the deep hydration formulation with the renowned C2A complex to defend our skins from the assaults by the pollutants coming from the environment that we are living in. Now, this is especially true if you could recall from Dr. Adrian's sharing just now on how pollution oxidizes DNA, lipid, and protein, and eventually causes wrinkling and aging even faster. Yes, C2A is usually only available in our higher end series, but this time round, it is now adapted to Naru Hydra Deep Hydration Care series. Now, C2A complex is actually derived from a unique combination of 6 ingredients with strong anti-radical power delivered through nano emulsion technology. Now, if you wonder how small the size is, it's actually about 18 nanometers. It's very, very, very small that easily can penetrate into the skin effectively. Now, C2A complex is really effective in reducing this UV-induced histamine production, which can comfort and relieve the skin from inflammation. And it also repair damaged skin cells and as well as protect the skin. Also, very importantly, it prevents accumulation of pollution, such as dust, climate changes, smoke, around us, right? So Naru Hydra is really suitable for most skin types. And for those into DNA profiling, you may be interested to know that Naru Hydra's formulation stimulates genes to improve the skin barrier function and can better help those people who are more genetically inclined to get wrinkle, allergy, to gluten, or easily get sunburned than others, or prone to inflammation, skin inflammation, irritation, and even rashes, to have hydrated and glowing skin. So really, this is something very powerful, and I think that you will really love this product. So in essence, Naru Hydra, when applied correctly, provides the skin the R3 plus hydration power. Now we call this the R3 plus hydration power, which basically means rehydrate, The second R, reinforce. The third R, revitalize. And of course, the plus is to defend, right? So triple R, R3 plus. Naro Hydra's advanced skin hydration nano formulation with this C2A complex is going to be really good news for all the skincare users. If you really like to try it, really go for it, try it, and I believe you will love it like I do. And do share with people around you. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the program as we unfold more about this Nano Hydro, right? Thank you very much. And over to you, Leslie.